Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a Nadine West unboxing, unbagging, try on, review, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure by now you're familiar with Nadine West. Like, this is like my 28th unbagging. Geez, I'm about to pull my eyeball out. Come on, package. It's like the heaviest, dutiest tape. Ugh. If you want to know more about Nadine West, you can check out any of my other videos. They're all on a playlist. All of my Nadine West ones. Oh, so this is a smaller package than usual. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So here is one bundle. Is that the same shirt I already have? Whoa. Here's a second bundle. Let's just jump right in to the first bundle. Let me clear a spot over here. Okay, here's, oh, I love those. Okay. I had jewelry come out first. Okay. So the first thing in here, ooh, it's different. I have a cardigan sweater that's this color and I love it. Oh my gosh, this is just like an actual sweater. Look at the back with the crisscross. Okay, so this is the Tiana and it's in dusty pink and it's $29.49. This is so pretty. Like I said, I have a cardigan that's this heather gray, light pink color. But this is just a sweater with the crisscrosses in the back. I love this. I love that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And it's so soft. My kids are wild. Sorry if you hear them. They're playing, trying to wear themselves out to go to bed. I love that. The next thing in here, what is this? What is this? This would be charcoal. I'm guessing, is this? Okay, so this is the Selah, S-E-L-A-H in charcoal, and it is $30.99. How super cute is this? It's like a V-neck gray shirt, but it has crisscrosses in the front. Wow, one has crisscrosses in the front, one has crisscrosses in the back. It's a longer shirt, so I'm sure it will cover the booty. It looks like long sleeves, maybe 3/4 sleeves, but I think it's long sleeves. Look how cute. That's the tag. If I get the tag out of the way, you can see better. Cute. That is cute. Guys, I just got back on the keto diet. Today's day number, what? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today's day number 4. So I'm losing some weight. Next in here, this is the Alley Skinny in black. And they are $29.49. Oh, these are nice. They're like dress pants. Oh my gosh, these are cute. They have this little, they have pockets too. So they have pockets. They have this little silver detail with this little black and white and red. Is that how you, I don't know. This is super cute because they literally look like dress pants. But they're skinny, so they almost feel like leggings. They're super soft. Stretchy. And yeah, they're just black, nice black pants. Yay! I need nice black pants. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. I love all 3 of those. Usually the first couple of things I'm like, I like some, I don't like some. I love all 3 of those already. Next bundle. Okay, what is in here? So this is, okay, so next in here are these. It is the Barbara in navy. They're $19.99. They're super stretchy. They look like jeans. I wouldn't even call they're not like, I've gotten like jeggings before. They don't feel, they feel like sweatpants. They look like jeans and they feel like sweats. And they're super soft and fuzzy on the inside. These are cute. There's no pockets in the front, but there are pockets in the back. These full-on feel like, Allie Bug, go play. These full-on feel like jean sweatpants, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Those are super cute. Okay, and the last clothing item I have in here is a dress. It is called the Fania, F-A-N-N-I-A, and it's in black flower. It is $35.99. It's actually cute. So it's black with red flowers and like the green stems. It's 3/4 sleeves. It's like a tie. It ties in the front like one of the wrap shirts, like a wrap dress. Let me try and get up closer so you can see the print. That is so cute. It looks like it's about to the knee. These always make you look super busty, like wrap shirts, the wrap style shirts. I'm super excited to see how this looks on. I'm not a dress person. Like I said, a lot of dresses with leggings look super cute. And I love the wrap ones. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is a pair of earrings. These are the zirconia in silver, and they're $20.49. And this is my favorite pair of earrings they've ever sent me. Straight up. Can you even see them? They are just like full on zirconia stones. They look like little diamond circles. Hold on. Let me try and get a better. There. Is that better? Can you see them better now? These are so pretty. Don't mind my nails. Ew. They need painted. They keep chipping off. The glitter ones keep chipping off. But these are the earrings. I'm so excited about those. Those are so pretty.